morning! So, this is Mommy G, and today I will be showing you how to repot spider plants. So, this is our plant. Ayan. Before that, some tidbits of information about this plant first. So, this is my spider plants. Let's look at the flower. So this is the flower of the spider plant. So it's just color white. Yan. And white lang siya. Flower gets pollinated. Yan. Nagiging new plants siya or plantlets. And when it grows, that's when it will look like spiders. That's why this plant is called spider plant, because the plantlets look like spiders. And proceed with the propagation. So for propagating this, let me first show you the things we'll need. So here are the pots that we're gonna use. It's already filled with soil. It's combination of garden soil and rice hull, fresh and carbonized rice hull. So we have here our pot. Ta-da! And of course with the handy dandy tool. And the first thing we'll do is we'll prepare the plants first. So I have quite a few of this plant, and I will be basically separating them. So ito yung plant natin, and this is the uprooted plant. So I'm just removing the soil, and I'll show you the root system that it has. If you can notice, yan, yung plant natin, you can separate it kasi makikita mo na yung separations niya. Ayan. So, also the root system of this plant, as you can see, this is part of the root system. So, ang tawag dito ay, yung puti na yan, this one, that's rhizome. So, this plant has evolved so that the roots has water stored in it. So, stored water yan sa rhizome. So, okay itong plant na to for beginners kasi this can survive inconsistent watering. So, kahit hindi mo siya dilgan, kaya niyang mag-survive because meron siyang stored water dito. Yan. So, I will just be preparing this plant. Basically, I will be dividing this. And I have quite a few. It's easier to divide if you remove the soil. So, remove lang natin yung soil. And so that's one. So I'm not using any scissor. Dinidivide ko lang siya. So pag tinanggal mo siya, makikita mo parang napuputol siya dito. Meron siyang parang sugat here. Yan dito. That's one. now the spider plants that I have propagated. Ayan na sila. So, we will water them. And then, post-care. Ang post-care nito is just keep it in the shaded area. And then, water every day lang. And you'll watch it grow. This is Mommy G saying, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Always stay safe, take your vitamins, stay healthy, and